кормовой переборки 3-го отсека, носовой переборки 5-го ВИС отсека, командир рубежей обороны, командира отсека, личного состава НКЧ-2 покинуть 4-5 отсеки.
Выработать нормальные условия старта.
Есть нормальные условия старта.
Есть расчет.
Вперед 6,5 и есть пускай скорости.
Декрет 0, декрет 0.
Давление в системах ОВД гидравлики в норме.
Командир, есть нормальные условия старта.
Есть расчет.
Mr. President, the meeting with Vladimir Putin is canceled or put on hold.
No, I don't want to have a wasted meeting. I don't want to have a waste of time, so I'll see what happens. But we did all of these great deals, great peace deals. They're all peace deals, agreements, solid agreements, every one of them. But this one, and I said, go to the line of battle, or the battlefield lines, and you pull back and you go home, and everybody take some time off because you got two countries that are killing each other. Two countries that are losing 5,000 to 7,000 soldiers a week. It doesn't really affect us. We sell equipment to them. We sell equipment to NATO, and NATO gives it to Ukraine, but we don't pay anything anymore. Biden spent $350 billion. The war would have never happened if I were president. Would have never, not even a million years. And Putin knows that too. Would have never happened. But it did happen, and I came in, and I have to see if I can put it out. But it doesn't affect us because we're not losing soldiers there. Although, when I first came in, that could have ended up, it's not going to happen, but it could have ended up in World War III. That was really out of control. So now it's they're shooting and they're killing people, and I think Putin wants it to end, and I think Zelensky wants it to end, and I think it's going to end.